Want to copy a website's design and content into WordPress without writing a single line of code? Let's clone it step by step. Cloning means creating an exact copy of a website layout, content, and style and importing it into WordPress, perfect for redesign, migration, or inspiration. Now, this is only possible if the website that you want to clone is actually on your WordPress account. So, for example, you want to clone one of your websites or pages on WordPress. So, to be able to do that, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over into the Pages tab. Now, in here, you'll be able to find a duplicate button under each of the page that you have. So simply click on it and that will allow you to duplicate that specific page that you want to clone on your WordPress account. And that is how you can basically clone any website on your WordPress account in WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress magic.